Well, ladies and gentlemen, this bull has been contracted by Gary McPhee for over 10 years on the Australian professional rodeo circuit. And for the first time ever in the history of professional rodeo in this country of ours, this bull has dominated the Bucking Bull of the Year title for no less than 7 different years. The pride and joy from the little Victorian town of Lurg in Victoria, the mighty bull called Chainsaw, the undisputed Bucking Bull of the Year at the national finals. This bull has not had a qualified ride for over 18 months. The last man to ride Chainsaw was at the bull riding at Toowoomba in 1992.
Hey Glenn, what about we get everybody behind this young cowboy? Let's all get the hands going out there. The more we clap and cheer, the more this cowboy's going to ride.
Chainsaw stands quiet in the chute as he does so many times. 8 seconds it is, man against beast.
Come on now, Liza, he's just about ready. Let's clap him out. Keep the hands going. Come on, he's just about ready. Make some noise out there, Mount Isa. Come on, let's make some noise.
Chainsaw!
Chainsaw! Chainsaw! Come on!
Chainsaw! Cowboy says, let's ride! But there he is, ladies and gentlemen, for the 3rd time at the Mount Isa Rotary Rodeo. Come on, put your hands together for the greatest Bucking Bull ever performed in this country.
Yonder she's walking.
Come on, Mount Isa, put your hands on your fucking
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for him as he goes past the grandstand. He does his victory lap for the final time at the 1994 Mount Isa Rotary Rodeo. Come on, put your hands together for him. He rules the world. He rules it all. 7 times Australia's rankest, undisputable Bucking Bull of the nation.